This introduction covers connecting your phone wirelessly to a Sanyo TV. Wireless connection typically means screen mirroring or casting content from your phone to the TV. Benefits include no cables needed and easy content sharing. Compatibility depends on your phone and TV features. Smart TVs support this better than non-smart ones. Common methods are Miracast, Chromecast, and DLNA. These methods can be used on Sanyo TVs by opening your phone's connectivity settings. Miracast allows direct screen mirroring if both your phone and Sanyo TV support it. This wireless technology lets you mirror your phone's display to the TV without additional apps or devices. On your smartphone, access the Quick Settings panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. Look for options like Screen Mirroring, Smart View, or Cast in the display or connection settings. On your Sanyo TV, navigate to the input source that supports Miracast. This is often labeled as screen mirroring or similar. Use your TV remote to access the menu and select the appropriate input. From your phone's cast or mirroring menu, select your Sanyo TV from the list of available devices. Tap to connect and wait for the pairing process to complete. Once connected, your phone's screen will appear on the TV. You should see the same content displayed on both devices, confirming a successful Miracast connection. If your Sanyo TV isn't a smart TV, you can use a Chromecast device plugged into an HDMI port. Connect the Chromecast to your TV and power it on. Use the Google Home app on your phone to set up the Chromecast with your Wi-Fi network. Once set up, open an app on your phone that supports casting, like YouTube. Look for the cast icon, a rectangle with a Wi-Fi symbol. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device. The content will now play on your TV. You can also cast your entire screen using the Chromecast app if needed. DLNA, or Digital Living Network Alliance, is a method for streaming media files like photos, videos, and music from your phone to the TV over your home network. First, ensure both your phone and Sanyo TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for DLNA streaming to work. Install and open a DLNA-compatible app on your phone, such as BubbleUp NP or Allcast. Once open, the app should automatically detect your Sanyo TV as a DLNA receiver on the network. Select the media file you want to stream and choose your Sanyo TV as the playback device in the app. If your devices aren't discovering each other, there are several common troubleshooting steps you can try. First, ensure both your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both your phone and TV to clear any temporary connection issues. Check for software updates on both devices, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Temporarily disable Bluetooth on your phone, as it can interfere with wireless connections. Ensure the TV's screen mirroring feature is enabled in the settings. Move both devices closer to your Wi-Fi router to improve signal strength and connection stability. When casting issues occur with specific apps like Netflix or YouTube, start by clearing the app's cache and data. This removes temporary files that might be causing problems. If clearing cache doesn't help, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall it first, then download and install the latest version from the App Store. Make sure the app is up to date. Check for updates in the App Store and install any available versions. Ensure the Chromecast firmware is up to date. Use the Google Home app to check for and install firmware updates. To isolate the issue, try casting from a different app. If casting works with another app, the problem is specific to the original app. If wireless methods fail, you can use a wired connection as an alternative. For modern phones, use an HDMI adapter that connects via USB-C. This adapter has USB-C, HDMI, and USB-A ports for connecting to your TV. Connect your phone to the adapter, then the adapter to the TV's HDMI port. For older phones, use an MHL adapter that connects via micro USB. The MHL cable has micro USB on one end and HDMI on the other. While not wireless, wired connections provide reliable screen mirroring. In this video, we covered 3 primary methods for connecting your phone wirelessly to a Sanyo TV. Remember that device compatibility is crucial, and troubleshooting common issues can help resolve connection problems. We encourage you to try each method to discover which one works best for your specific devices and setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.